2023 Subaru Crosstrek. Going to be replacing the in-cabin air filter on this, which I believe is in the glove box area. So we're going to open this up. I believe there's a couple retainers that hold this in place. We're going to drop that. And then behind this glove box, there should be a spot for an in-cabin air filter. This is the one that I got from the dealer. This is the model number. Filter HR3, part number 72880FL00A. So anyway, so this looks like it's just a paper element. I'm sure they have carbon versions of this. Just take note of the arrow indicating which direction the airflow should go. So when we take the old one out, we're going to be placing the new one in. I deionized the entire cabin, but still want to replace the in-cabin filter to make sure that there's no smell. So over here, you'll see right here, there's a retainer, like a shock basically, that holds this part of the glove box in place. We're going to take out the contents. I believe there's nothing else. All we got to do is just push in the left and right side of the glove box. We have to do it kind of at the same time. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And there we go. Glove box is down and out actually. And I believe the air filter is in here somewhere. Locate this. Here we go. Have to pull from the top down. All right, so it's kind of fragile. I mean, thankfully nothing broke, but these clips are all made out of plastic, kind of chintzy. Anyway, up, as you can see, is in this direction. So we're gonna take this old element out. And it is actually dirty, believe it or not. I mean, for as new as the car is, right? That's the old one, this is the new one. So you can see the difference. I mean, it's amazing how dirty these things get. And it is just simply a paper filter. So we're gonna take the old one out, the new one out of the bag and replace it so the up arrow is facing the right direction. And then place it back into the glove box area. And that will be done. All right, let's see how easily this goes back into position. That's it. Nice and easy. Up arrows facing up. That's where the fan blows into the cabin. And then we're going to place this back into position. So these clips down here are kind of like guide clips. And then you're just pushing this back into position and you're done. That's it. Cabin filter is complete. Now we just have to place the glove box back onto these little rails. You can see that? See those rails? This actually sits on top. Push it back up, replace this shock, and that's it, you're done. Very easy, not bad at all. That's on a 2023 Subaru Crosstrek, and we're good to go. See you later.